Okay, continuing with example 9. This is taking off from example 8, but knowing that that amount that we got is not going to be enough to retire. That $87,000 is not going to be nearly enough money to retire. And so let's use the same basic idea, but instead let's bump that monthly deposit up a little bit to $200. So using our formula, the final amount in our account will be based on the monthly deposit amount, $200, times 1 plus our interest rate, 0.055, over 12, because it's a monthly deposit, raised to the 12 times, and it's still 40 years, power minus 1, all over our interest rate, 0.055 over 12. And again, as a reminder, strongly encourage you to put parentheses around that denominator. Where the brackets are written, go ahead and enter parentheses on your calculator. I just use brackets when I write on paper to help distinguish them from the parentheses. And in this case, once you type all that in your calculator, and again, be sure you do so, do not assume you're just going to get the right answer, you should come up with $348,207.92. And now we're talking. That's more, actually, probably more than that is what you want, but that's definitely better than that $87,000 in interest. So how much interest will you have earned? So again, that's going to be your total in the account minus what you put in. Okay? And then that will tell you how much interest it is that you earned. So the total is that $348,270.92. You put in $200 every month for 40 years. And whenever you calculate the amount of interest you earned $252,207.92 in interest. That's more than $250,000 in interest.